Find or read reviews that people are talking about VONKO P10 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features: dual suction ports and advanced multi-layer filtration. Equipped with dual suction ports, an extended cleaning brush, and a multi-layer filtration system, the P10 Robotic Pool Cleaner captures leaves, sand, dirt, and fine debris with ease. Enjoy visibly clearer water and a spotless pool floor in less time. Designed for both above-ground and flat in-ground pools, it delivers powerful, hands-free cleaning you can rely on. 100 minutes long runtime. Enjoy extended runtime with up to 100 minutes of cordless cleaning on a single charge. Perfect for small to medium pools, it covers up to 1,100 square feet per cycle and is ideal for round pools up to 16 feet in diameter or similarly sized oval and rectangular pools. The long-lasting battery delivers consistent suction from start to finish, so your pool gets cleaned in one go. Powerful cordless suction with dual ports. Equipped with dual ports and a high-performance filtration system, the P10 Pool Vacuum Robot delivers up to 2000 GPH of powerful suction to quickly lift leaves, dirt, and debris from your pool floor. The cordless design eliminates tangled cables, giving you total freedom of movement and consistent, hassle-free cleaning every time. Easy setup and maintenance. No tools, no complicated setup, just drop it in and start cleaning. The streamlined, low-drag design moves smoothly across the pool floor, while the large-capacity filter basket captures more debris and reduces how often you need to empty it. With a quick rinse filter system, cleanup is fast and simple, helping maintain strong, consistent suction every time. Ultra-lightweight and easy to lift. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, the P10 Robotic Pool Cleaner is up to 40% lighter than traditional pool robots, making it easy to lift, carry, and remove from the water. No heavy lifting required. Move effortlessly in above-ground or in-ground pools. Built with IPX8 waterproof protection for long-lasting durability and reliable performance. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.